Hey everyone, this is my third content video. This video is going to show you how to add a page to your site, edit the content, and how to manage your site, how to delete pages, add pages, all that good stuff. Today we're going to be adding a page called the services page, and I'll tell you more about what I want you to put on that page here in just a second. So go ahead. Go to sites.google.com. If you're already logged into your Google account, it should just pop up with your site already on there. So that's how I got here. I'm going to go ahead and open up my site, and it opens up to my home page. You can see my picture and what would be the About Me section. And real quick, I want to show you something. I want to show you how to change the navigation in this. So go to manage site. I just showed you how to get there. This is what your site defaults to. So you have the sidebar here for navigation and all that good stuff. We're gonna change that. We're gonna change from the sidebar. We're gonna go to horizontal navigation, and it'll come up with a link here, and you have to click on that little. If you roll your mouse over it, it'll highlight blue. Mine's already on tab, so you're gonna have to change that. So I think it automatically comes up as links. Yeah. It automatically defaults to links. So you're gonna again click on that blue highlighted section, and you're going to change it to tabs. Now pay attention to how we got here, because we're gonna, after we add our page, we're gonna come back to this, and I'll show you how to add the tab, add the tab for the new page. So hit OK. It should refresh. Yep, there's my tab. Close. And alright, we're ready to add a new page to this. So up at the right hand corner, right beside the editing page or editing tab or button, is the create a page button. We're gonna click that, and it's asking you to name your page. We're gonna name our page services, or you can also name it professional experiences, professional services, whatever you want. And if I click here, we have a few options. We're actually going to keep it as the web page template, but I just wanted you to be aware that there are other templates that you can use too. We have announcements, which is kind of like a blog. We have a file cabinet where people can upload files for you, and we have a list. So we're going to keep it as a web page, and the location is going to be put page at the top level, because we want it to be its own tab. If we were to put page under home, it would then the services page would be shown if you rolled your mouse over top of the home tab. So we're going to create it as its own tab, put it at the top level. After you have your settings like this, click create, and here we are at our new page. Now I want you to, the information that I want you to put on here is kind of like the related job experience section on your resume. So if you're creating this for a company, I want you to type in what your company, what services your company provides to customers. You can include prices, you can include descriptions, whatever you want. Now, if you're a person, if this is a personal page, I'll give you an example from mine. Mine would be, let's say I wanted to do private instrument lessons. That's why I was creating this website. I would say I would create a few sections that tell about my available hours. the prices that I ask for, and the instruments that I can do private lessons on. So add something like that. You can include text and pictures. Remember to include a picture. You go up here to the Insert tab and you hit Image, and it comes up with this, and you can upload your own pictures. So yeah, that is the services page. After we have created the services page, we're going to say Save. Alright, and notice that we only have one tab still. Okay, we're going to go back to Edit Site Layout. We're going to click on that bar again. Okay, and we're going to say Add a Page. And here we go. You can search it. You can do My Recent Changes, which, yeah, there it is, or the sitemap. I'll click Services. I'll hit OK. And it's in a tab. And alright, it should pop up there. There it is. I got my home page and my services page. And I'm going to close out that so that I'm not editing anymore. And now I can go back and forth between my home page and my services page. Cool. So after you have added your information on your services page, made it all pretty and neat and professional, go ahead and take a screenshot of this page and upload it to the assignment on the Google Classroom. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Maybe I can make another screenshot or a screencast if you have further questions on something. Don't be afraid to ask. Don't be afraid to post in the classroom stream. And I'm excited to see everybody's work.